Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
One of the main reasons to create groupings on the data values within fields is so that you can perform summary calculations upon some field for each unique value created by the groupings. Since summary calculations are performed over each grouping, they appear in the group footer sections. Note that you do not need to have the report data grouped before you can apply summary fields to a report. If you simply apply a summary field to a report that contains no data groupings, you will receive a grand total field that appears at the very end of the report. To insert a summary field into your report, you can either click the Insert Summary button that appears within the Insert toolbar, or you can choose Insert from the menu bar and then choose the Summary command. This will then launch the Insert Summary dialog box. Use the drop-down at the top of the dialog box to choose which field's values you would like to calculate over the group. Then use the Calculate this Summary drop-down to choose which calculation to perform over that group. In the Summary Location section, use the drop-down to choose the grouping over which you want the summary calculation performed. Note that if you needed to create a grouping that you had forgotten, you can click the Insert Group button to launch the Insert Group dialog box where you can create the groups if needed. Now, under the Options section, you can check the Show as a Percentage of checkbox to calculate the percentage total of one group within a larger grouping, such as the grand total, for example. So you can then use the drop-down below that checkbox to decide by which of the other available groupings you wish to see the percentage. Now, if you've created a hierarchical grouping, you can view an identical summary across the hierarchy's subgroupings by checking the Summarize Across Hierarchy checkbox. When you're ready, click the OK button to insert the summary field into the selected group footer or at the end of the report as a grand total. Note that you can reposition, resize, and reformat this field just as you would any other, as long as it remains within the Set section.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.